Hey everyone, it's Hasm here. Today we're gonna explode a giant nuke. Let's see and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, what's inside of this nuke? TNT. So let's get started, right? Now let's see. Let's see how big the explosion is. Wow, that's pretty deep, literally. I guess the guy set these cows on fire. I happen to have foot in steel. Get out of the way. Smell that fresh meat. Your head is your. Why aren't you on fire? Yeah, could be. Save the best. Well, that was pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty big. I have another map set up, so I'll come back to you when I'm there. Okay, we're back, and here we have TNT power. Whoa, I survived that? How did I survive? Wow. Ooh, iron. Well, that was pretty big. Okay, we're back, and we're playing big TNT. Of course, there's gonna be a TNT inside the TNT. Let's light it up. Let's see what happens. That's a pretty big explosion. Don't you think so? It's like up so we can see better. Not like we need to see. Look at all this space I have. Look at it, it's huge. That was so epic. Okay, it's time to go to the next one. Okay, we're back and we're gonna play Big Minecart. Whoa, big, it's so big, it's amazing. Wow, 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 whoa, whoa, yeah, it's too advanced. Now it's time to light up the redstone trail. Going this way. Here we go. Apparently this is empty. Well, this isn't empty. Okay, I'm here with TNT's. Fun steel! I'll steal all your flint and steel. Everybody needs some food. It's time. Thing's gonna go down to the That was fun. Are there seriously Endermen down there? Come on. You wanna fight, bro? kill me. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one. TNT. Let's see. Can I light it? Seriously, you disappear. Okay. Seriously. Can you show the people? I know that wasn't the biggest explosion, but hey, it's pretty much the only map I could find. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.